Which park is that? Tualatin? I think that is. Trees.
Take the second right onto.
Look at these tomatoes. This is more like the what do you call that? Can't think of the name right now. And this is, I believe, Roma tomatoes. It's like a. This is a Japanese maple tree. We are in Tigard. Look at this. A bunch of trees here. What did you text me? Tomatoes? I mean, syrup tomatoes.
And I said, no, that's my passport. And he said, it looks just like mine. So I don't.
There's a lot of bees. Oh, this way. Sinuses and mixture pollen. Look, there must be like a. There's a bench there. I think that's where he's going to sit down.
Beneath the green canopy, we exchange grins. The leaves whisper secrets, the soft breeze spins. Our steps make music, a rhythm so sweet as we dance on pavement with our own beat. Hand in hand, we roam, no map in our hearts. Footsteps echo joy where nature imparts. In a world so loud, silence is gold. As we dance on pavement with our own beat. Hand in hand we roam, no map in our hearts. Footsteps echo joy where nature imparts. In a world so loud, this silence is gold. Every step a story that's never been told.
Ooh, blackberries. Blackberries.
Children's
That's
giggles
right.
like bells ring in the air. A
And
dog
this is
chasing
when it's
dreams
not ready
without a single care. We
There's
pause for
water?
a moment on a park bench throne.
It
In this
barely wet.
tiny kingdom, we're never alone.
I see blackberries over there,
It's
Russ.
like notes in the air, a concert of life held without any care. We listen with wonder as they serenade.
Maybe it's a
dawn,
sewer water.
wishing these moments would linger on.
Oh, it's like a
Hand in hand we roam,
like a pond.
map in our hearts.
Is it a pond?
Footsteps echo joy
Just don't
where
fall
nature
in because it looks like you go directly into the water.
I mean, there is water movement, but
every step a story that's never been told. Hand in hand we roam, no map in our hearts. Footsteps echo joy where nature imparts. In a world so loud, this silence is gold. Every step a story.
No, you cannot. It's so steep.
yeah. one. Not trying.
What's
Oh, that's just
Camera.
It's just a camera.
so what? You can get to a place where drop into the river, swim back to shore.
Underneath the blue sky, strolling by the trees, counting squirrels like stars.
Is that the whatever bloom
In a world so loud, we find a peaceful ruse where laughter is the
amoeba
wind
that?
and we can't lose.
Yeah.
Beneath the green canopy, we exchange grins. The leaves whisper
Is
secrets.
this what, Russ? Tualatin Park?
Steps make music.
We are in Tualatin
As we
Park.
dance on pavement with our own beat. Hand in hand we roam, no map in our hearts. Footsteps echo joy where nature imparts. In a world so loud, silence is gold. As we dance on pavement with our own beat. Hand in hand we roam, no map in our hearts. Footsteps echo joy where nature imparts. In a world so loud,
This thing is fuzzy.
silence is gold. Every step a story that's never been told.
Oh yeah, look at that. Those are like cherry tomatoes.
Children's giggles like
Oh, those are
bells ring in the
apples.
air. A dog chasing dreams
Look at those
without a
tomatoes.
single
Those are
care. We pause for a moment on a park bench throne. In this tiny kingdom, we're never alone. Birds sing melodies like notes in the air. A concert of life held without any care. We listen with wonder as they serenade dawn, wishing these moments would linger on. Hand in hand we roam, no map in our hearts. Footsteps echo joy where nature imparts. In a world so loud, this silence is gold. Every step a story that's never been told. Hand in hand we roam, no map in our hearts. Footsteps echo joy where nature
Gonna be
imparts.
uphill.
In a world so loud, this silence is gold. Every step a story that's never been told.
Remember last time we did that?
I don't want to leave the shade.
It's pretty breezy right here.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Underneath the blue sky,
a tiny
strolling by the trees,
Oh.
counting squirrels like stars, whatever you please. In a world so loud, we
I love
find a
these
peaceful
flowers.
ruse
They're so
where
bright
laughter's the
yellow.
wind and we can't lose. Beneath the green canopy, we exchange grins. The leaves whisper secrets,
Nice
the soft
and
breeze
easy.
spins. Our steps make music,
that
a
looks like
rhythm
mine.
so sweet.
Yeah.
As we dance
But
on
I'm not
pavement
sure.
with our own beat.
I have any idea
Hand
what
in hand we roam, no
It could
in
be
our
like that.
hearts.
They're just all over. I would think that they would be the same, but I guess not.
Joy where nature imparts.
the green moss that's no longer green.
In a world so loud, silence is gold. As we dance on pavement
Why?
with our own beat.
20 degrees hotter yesterday.
Hand in hand we roam, no map in our
Ooh.
hearts. Footsteps echo joy where
What is this
nature
one?
imparts.
Got a
In a
lot
world so loud,
of
this
berries.
silence is gold. Every step a story that's never been told. Children's giggles like bells ring in the air. A dog chasing dreams without a single care. We pause for a moment on a park bench throne. In this tiny kingdom,
Can you imagine
never
Oregon being this
alone.
hot?
Birds sing melodies melodies like notes in the air. A concert of life held without any care. We listen with wonder.
Look at that
as
house
they
right there.
serenade
It's got
dawn.
like all. I don't think they ever get sunlight. It's all covered with trees.
Wrapping our hearts, footsteps echo joy where nature imparts. In a world so loud, this silence is gold. Every step a
with the
story
trees.
that's never been told. Hand in hand we roam, no map in our hearts. Footsteps echo joy where nature imparts. In a world so loud, this silence is gold. Every step a story that's never been told. Underneath the blue sky, strolling by the trees, counting squirrels like stars, whatever you please. In a world so loud, we find a peaceful ruse, where laughter's the wind and we can't lose. Beneath the green canopy, we exchange grins. The leaves whisper secrets, the soft breeze spins. Our steps make music, a rhythm so sweet, as we dance on pavement with our own